Another barking Mutt. It's 5 minutes past 12. Past midnight. They just don't let us sleep. And I need to mention again that this is illegal. This is completely illegal. We still have a law that says that you cannot disturb peace. They're supposed to fine them. And this nasty creature is barking almost for an hour already. I can't sleep. I just don't understand why other people tolerate this. I don't get it. Because there are people who live close to these assholes. Why can't they just go and file a police report? I don't understand that. I don't even know whose Mutt is this. But it's actually barking inside the apartment. It's barking inside the apartment. It's not even outside. You see how loud it is. It's inside the apartment, but everyone can hear it. Because this nasty sound travels across the street. I mean, this is insane.